This is Jitbit Helpdesk. We'll go through the queue, a real ticket, automation, the AI features, and reports. No slides, just the product. This is the queue, where your team lives. Every email, portal request, chat, and WhatsApp message lands here as a ticket. These tabs up top switch between unclosed and unanswered. Categories are on the left. Any filter can be saved as a view. That VIP customers one is mine. And you pick exactly which columns you see. Quick look behind the scenes. You connect your support mailboxes here, Jitbit checks them, and new mail becomes tickets automatically. When you reply, it goes out from that same address. Let's open one. The whole conversation reads top to bottom on the left. On the right, everything about this request. Status, priority, category, who owns it, the due date, time spent so far. Below that, tags and our own custom fields. Files people attach stay right here on the thread. Here's how you work one as a team. Assign it to a technician. Subscribe a teammate so they follow along. And anything you need to hash out privately goes in an internal note the customer never sees. Every change is logged, so there are no mysteries later. Now let's actually answer it. Canned responses drop in the text we send 10 times a day. This picker inserts a knowledge base article. I'll search for the password one. There it is, hit reply, and notice the status moves on its own. Here's the AI part. I ask it to draft a response, and you can watch it work. It reads our knowledge base and our past tickets first, then writes from those, not from the open internet. It also summarizes long threads, and it can turn a solved ticket into a new article. These are automation rules. Let me open ours. Plain English. When a ticket is created, if the subject mentions super laser, move it to the super laser category. Trigger, conditions, actions. They can assign, reply, set due dates, escalate when an SLA slips, even call an API. The execution log here shows each run, and this test button tries the rule on a real ticket before you trust it. By the way, everything you've seen bends to your process. That squad number field, we added that. These statuses, on hold, waiting for parts, ours too. Priorities work the same way. User management is simple. Customers group into companies. Agents get per category permissions, and there are separate lists for technicians and admins. Active Directory or single sign-on can handle the accounts for you. Now the customer side. This is the self-service portal. I'll search for password. Real results, and there's the full article. That's one ticket that never gets created. Customers can also post and vote on ideas in the forum here. Reports are all built in. Ticket volume, response speed, the due date calendar, SLA compliance, technician stats, customer satisfaction. Scroll down, there are more. And this custom report builder covers whatever question I didn't just answer. Prefer a board? Same tickets. I'll drag this urgent one from new into in progress. Done. This dashboard is meant for a TV in the support room. Today's volume, response, and resolution times. Total workload. Who's online? It updates live. You never refresh it. There's an asset tracker too. Our hardware list, and here's a single unit. Serial number, location, notes, and the people and tickets it's attached to. Everything has a paper trail. If you live in other tools, Jitbit meets you there. Slack or Teams for notifications, Jira and GitHub for engineering handoffs, Zapier for the long tail, WhatsApp, single sign-on with Azure AD, and a full REST API when you want to script things yourself. 2 practical notes. Your agents get native iPhone and Android apps, and you choose where Jitbit runs, in our cloud or self-hosted on your own servers. Same product either way. That's the tour. What you saw is how it works on day one. No setup project required. Try it free at jitbit.com.